Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something that should be a very simple job that can get a little bit complicated. All right, we are replacing the low beam headlight bulb on a 2014 Chevy Equinox. Now keep in mind this probably works from the same model, same body style. Could be like 2010 or 2008. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to put it somewhere around here to see the models that it's covered with. Okay, first thing you need to do is, of course, we thought you have to go under the hood, but then you're gonna get stuck right there. There's a wall, you can't even get to the bulb. So you need to get in the car, turn it on, turn the wheel all the way to the right or whatever you feel comfortable, and we're gonna have to remove or just not remove, just open up this fender liner. It's gonna have some of these clips and a couple screws. We took one out already, so just pop these clips off like that. Pop these clips off. Okay, and then there's going to be this little one right here. This is a T-20 Torx screw. Let me see, I don't know if you can see it. We have a little Craftsman T-20 right there. So let's try and see if this fits to get it off. The wheel's on the way, can't use my drill. All right, fuck it. Let's try to get the tool. Here we go. T-20, I'm trying to loosen it up with it. Well, we're looking for an angle tool so we can get in there. All right, let's see, it's starting to loosen up right here. You see that? All right, so now it comes off by hand. Bam, there we go. Now you guys are seeing this for the first time with me. Let's open this up. We might have another screw down here. What's that? Yep. Gonna have to take these two little 10 millimeters, I think, or 8 millimeters. Anyways, let's take those out. All right, so for down here, we're gonna need a 7 millimeter socket and ratchet. All right, take that off real quick. All right, now let's check and see if it comes off. All right, so once you remove those two little 7 millimeter, you should be able to pull this out. And if you notice up there, let me go ahead and zoom in. Bam. See that right there? That's the cap that's blocking that low beam headlight. So I'm gonna try to reach my hand up here and twist it to the left, because lefty loosey, righty tighty should come out, and expose our light bulb. All right, so I reach in here, see the wires, and there's the little square right here. See if I can zoom in a little more. There we go. And then I twist to the left, and it should expose my bulb. You see that? Then I can either, I'm gonna need both hands for this, but I'm gonna take the bulb off of here. Actually, I'm gonna unplug the bulb from here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Nah, I'm gonna need both hands. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a second, use both hands to get this out, and then I'll keep you posted. Well, there you go. Look, that's the old one. I think it's got a minor break in the filament and it's not completing the circuit, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one that we have here, which is H11. This is basic. All right, looks the same. Sylvania H11. All right, so let's go ahead, open the new package, put this back in and see if it works. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plug this in and see if it works. Cross our fingers, make sure we don't have a bigger issue here. All right, here we go. Bulb already on here. We're gonna turn the low beams on. Yeah, it works. All right, turn it off. Awesome. Now we're gonna go back up here and wiggle it in place. So if we pulled it to the left to put it in, right? So we're gonna make sure that kind of get it in place right here. Make sure that it goes in. Can you see that? All right, so let's put it in and then put the cap back on and we're basically done. All right, so once we have our bulb installed, we're gonna reach up here. And I don't know if you can see that. Gonna put our cap back on. Kind of gotta get it in the right place. There we go. It's a bit tricky, but if we got it out, we can definitely put it back in. Okay. All right, so once your cap is back in, we just gotta go ahead and put these parts back. Put the screws where they go, the bottom ones in, and then the top ones, and you're good to go. And just like that, you replace your low beam headlight on a 2014 Chevy Equinox. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Share with somebody who needs it.